Hey YouTube, K2 Investing here, coming at you with another video of my dividend earnings. And this one will be focused on the month of January for 2020. As you can see, my portfolio is sitting a little above 17K. I hit that threshold about 2 weeks ago, but the market has been a little bit red, so it's dropped down under 17K. But because I am in it for as a long buy and hold conservative strategy, of course it came back up and I'm back above that 17K. As a quick background for those of you who don't know, I do set goals for myself. I'm currently trying to hit $25,000 for my overall portfolio total, and that is because that's the magic number that you need in order to day trade in the stock market. I've been really interested in day trading. It's challenging. I think that's why I have a big interest in it. And that's also where you have the opportunity to make some big money and some fast money, but it's also where you can lose a lot of money. So for the past couple of years, why I've been trading and focusing on dividends, I've also been practicing day trading on the Webull app. They have a fantastic desktop option of how to paper trade. I have one of those videos on my channel if you want to check it out, how I made $500 in one day paper trading. But for right now, as I wait on a conservative way to make sure that I'm saving my money and I'm learning properly so I can utilize all my skills to the best of their ability, I focus on dividend investing. So real quick, in the Robinhood app, in order to see your dividends, you need to click on this little dude on the bottom right here. You're going to go to your statements and history, go to show more, and then scroll over to dividends. Now this will tell you all your dividends, both pending and that have cleared, right? So for the month of January, I have quite a few, but it's not a lot. It's not big numbers. In total, I believe I made about $40, which isn't bad. You know, if you're thinking about that money is just sitting there, I just made $40 essentially doing nothing, which, you know, that's $40 more to put into more stocks. So I'm happy with that. When I go over to Google Sheets here, this is how I track my dividends. It's an easy way, a quick reference of exactly everything that I have in my holdings. So across the top, I have the date of that month when I got it. I have the stock ticker symbol, the price, the dividend payout price per stock, and then the number of stocks I'm currently holding, and then the total of what I received for the payout. The different colors, the green and the blue, represent green is Robinhood and blue is Webull. I do have about $500 sitting in a Webull account. I mostly opened that for the paper trading, but I do really like the Webull platform, which I will be making a future video about Webull. So if you're interested in that, you know, look out for that video. So here, as you can see, it's not a whole lot of money, but there are a couple big payouts like that $24 there. But the total for the month, $41. That's pretty good. Again, if I had that 17K sitting in just a savings account, I probably would have made $5 to $10 off of that if I'm lucky. So to be making $40, that's a way better return than if it was just sitting in a savings account. And honestly, guys, at the end of the day, that's exactly what I'm looking for, and I think what most of you are looking for too. You know, I work really hard for my money. I work over 40 hours a week. It's exhausting. My job is high stress too, so it takes a lot out of me. So I want to save my money so I can retire earlier. But as I'm waiting to retire, I might as well do everything that I can to make my hard-earned money work harder for me, right? Also, I track year-to-date average. So right now, since there's only been 1 month, $41 like my total. But also as a quick reference here on the right for 2019, I put my total last year. I made $546.73 with an average, a high average of $45. So already at the beginning of 2020, I'm starting off strong because I'm right there around that average that I made in 2019. And that means it's only going to be bigger and better, right? Of course, some months are less than others. It depends on if they're monthly paying dividends or if they are quarterly paying dividends, how much their yield is, how much they're paying out, how much shares you own, you know, because I do a little bit of swing trading as well while I'm waiting. If something jumps really high and I'm up quite a bit of percent, I'm usually going to sell it, most of it, if not all of my shares, wait for it to drop a little to buy back in. So again, I just want to make a quick video. I do have February up here already. I have one paid in so far $7.60. Already a great start to the month. But again, if you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos just like this, hit subscribe. I plan on making a video every week, going back between dividend recaps, portfolio recaps, my journey to 25K, tutorials too. I really want to be able to jump into this app, the Robinhood and Webull, and show you everything that I know, and also show you how I learned, right? Everything that I know over the past few years, I learned for free. I learned off of YouTube, I learned off of doing my own research with Google, all that stuff, and I want to show you guys step by step how I did it. I owe everything to these free platforms and these free programs, and I'm trying to give back a little bit in these videos. You know, I'm not trying to make millions here. I'm trying to live comfortably, and I'm doing the same thing here on YouTube. I'm not trying to make a lot of money. If that ends up happening, who knows, I know YouTube, you can be monetized and all that stuff, cool, but I know all that money is going to be going right back into the channel as well, buying video equipment, hopefully being able to start putting videos with me in front of the camera, not just making tapes. But again, you need money to make money, essentially, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, as always, friends, I hope you stay green, stay classy, and always make your moves with kinetic knowledge. Take it easy.